Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to add a productive description to your product. So click the add your first product icon and choose the product title, such as we have casual shoes. Okay, and choose the media, select the file from here, upload it, select the description. So, write a specific product title, short descriptive paragraph. You can write a short descriptive paragraph, technical details of your product to invite the customers, and like what are the benefits of your product, how your product is special, and how they can enjoy your product, or how your product is better than other products. Social proof. You can also create a video and share a link with the customers for their satisfaction, and then call to action. Okay, these are some detail. With the help of these detail, you can write a productive description and then upload it. Okay, hope you like the video. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. Take care.